Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to remove or replace front sway bar links. Stay with us, we will explain how to do that guys. We will explain what to use, what not to use, and where you can get sway bar links for a really good price. All that will be covered in this video today. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So this specific right here guys is a Hyundai Sonata 2013 model, but doesn't matter what it is. Let's just turn the wheel a little bit. Okay, we'll just grab it. We have the car in the air, so we can turn the wheel. Sway bar links is located right there. When the sway bar link fails, you can experience quite a bit of rattle noise going over bumps. We have the car in the air, as you can see, because that will make removing the sway bar easier. If you have both wheels on the front in the air, that will make it even easier because the sway bar will not have any tension. So we'll go ahead, remove the bolts now, the lug nuts. Let's do that. This wheel, as you can see guys, has not been removed in a long time. As a result, what will happen, probably it will be stuck. Perfect, it's coming out. Now let's go ahead and see, okay, if it's going to come out. We're going to give it a kick. Nope, we're gonna need to get a penetrating spray and the oil. So let's go ahead. I'm going to grab that penetrating spray quick. It's WD-40 guys. Okay, we're going to pick it up in a second and show you which one it is. It's amazing spray with adjustable nozzle. So we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. You can see how it's adjustable spray between the wheel and the disc brake there. Okay, right there. Now let's do a little bit on this side. Okay, we'll let it soak a little bit. You can even spray more. Usually if you let it work for about 5-10 minutes it'll be better. Get a rubber hammer and hit the wheel on the back side. Only rubber hammer and everything comes off with no problem. Check it out, otherwise it's almost impossible. Now we have to be very careful. Grab the wheel and you can just pull it out. Perfect. If you're using a jack and a jack stand, I'll recommend to put the wheel under the car, so in case if it falls, it's going to stop on the wheel and not crash you under the vehicle. So now we're going to turn the steering wheel, okay, a little bit. That's the sway bar link, okay, that we're talking about. So we're going to spray the nuts, okay, with penetrating spray on the sway bar, one on the bottom side, okay, and we'll show you how to do that now, how to remove it. Now, having the front end of the car both tires in the air means that there will be minimum tension on the sway bar. Otherwise, what can happen guys, okay, if you have only one side jacked up, you have quite a bit of tension on the sway bar and you will need to use a pry bar to remove the sway bar link. So let's go ahead, okay, and see if we can go ahead and remove it. This one most likely. Let's see if it's a 17mm socket maybe that we need. Okay, 19mm guys. That is a huge, okay, huge socket. You can see your belt now. That's your serpentine belt here as well. Okay, perfect. We'll need to get the big tools because there will be probably some rust build up here. Careful not to hit yourself. We're pretty loose in that one. Okay, great, it's coming off. Then we have one more underneath. That will be a little bit harder to reach, but it is possible. Just be careful because this is plastic. This is holding your radiator support there, and it's plastic and you can easily break it guys. Now this one is a smaller nut on the back side. It looks like it's way smaller. I'll come underneath now Give me just a second so I can show you what we're talking about. This is the nut right here. We have videos how to rebuild that engine, how to replace it, guys. All that will be coming, okay, on our channel. So let's see now. Okay, is it in? No. Okay, it got loose. Not to the point that it can go by hand, but it's getting there. So let's see if we can get the ratchet, maybe go ahead and remove it that way. Alright, now we want to show you something, guys. Okay, you can see it's going to come loose on that side because we have absolutely zero tension on the sway bar, because the other side is lifted in the air. Most of you don't know that trick, but it makes quite a bit of a difference, guys. And we can pull it out. Now, if for some reason, okay, when you remove the nut, that bolt starts spinning, what you will need to do, you need to find a wrench that fits here. Probably it's a 5/8 or 16 millimeter. You need to catch that thing on the inside with the wrench and then start removing the nut. And you can see sway bar link came out completely short, guys. That's why it's causing, okay, front end noise and rattle. So if you need to buy new ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below to see where we ordered ours from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.